A common question we get is, do I need an inventory if my property is unfurnished? The answer always is yes, because even though you have no furniture in the property, the fixtures, the fittings are very expensive. The kitchen, the bathroom, the flooring, the condition of the walls, all of these things can be quite costly. When an inventory is done on an unfurnished property, our clerks will go into detail about the colour of the walls, the flooring, what type of kitchen and bathroom you have, windows, and then ironmongery, handles, etc. So yes, it is very important to have an inventory even on an unfurnished property. This way it safeguards both the landlord and the tenant at the end of the tenancy. For more information, please go to our website ashworth-group.co.uk or click the link below. Thank you.